Are you an online marketer wondering, is Udemy legit or is it just another internet scam? If that's you, stick around because I'm breaking it all down. Simple, honest, and straight to the point. Alright, first up, what actually is Udemy? Udemy is a marketplace that connects two groups, people who have big targeted email lists, and people who want their ads sent to those lists. We call those ads solo ads. Let's say you've got a product for fitness junkies. If you head over to Udemy, you can find sellers with lists full of fitness fans. You pay the seller, they send your ad to their subscribers, and boom, you get targeted traffic to your site or offer. So how does this all work? The process is pretty straightforward. You browse sellers, check out their ratings and reviews, and pick someone who matches your niche. You buy a set number of solo ads, the seller sends your email, and Udemy tracks every click. If anything goes sideways, let's say you don't get the traffic you were promised, Udemy steps in to help resolve it. Now for the big question, is Udemy legit? Here's what I discovered. First, Udemy is used by thousands of buyers and sellers all over the world, every single day. It's not some fly-by-night site. Second, the platform is super transparent. Every seller has ratings and real honest reviews from buyers. Payments? Totally secure. Your money goes through Udemy's system and it's only released to the seller when you confirm you've gotten what you paid for. And if you end up with low-quality clicks, Udemy's refund policy has your back. Honestly, I found it easy to use. Even if you're new to solo ads or email marketing, the interface is simple to navigate. So, who should actually use Udemy? If you're an entrepreneur looking for more website visitors, an affiliate marketer wanting to promote offers, or a small business owner trying to grow an email list, Udemy could be your shortcut to targeted traffic. Basically, if you need quick and focused leads, it's worth a look. But how do you get the best results? Let me give you a few tips. Always choose sellers with high ratings and plenty of good reviews. Make sure their list matches your niche. Start small, order a test run before going big, write a clear, catchy ad, and track your results from start to finish. So, final thoughts. Is Udemy legit? Absolutely. It's a trusted, established marketplace with secure payments, verified sellers, and a solid refund policy. Not every solo ad will be a home run, but Udemy gives you a safe space to experiment and find what works for your business. If you're ready to get targeted traffic, give Udemy a shot. Check out the link below to start your journey in the solo ads marketplace. Thanks for watching.